Is a disaster. Is a disaster. Is a disaster. Let me just moisturize my lips. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Gillian with a G, and on this channel we grow and glow together. Oh guys, yeah. So I've been lazy, period. I've been lazy with my hair. Like, what's going on here is a cause, it's a strife, it's a cause, it's trouble. Like, it's terrible what's going on here. If you don't know, I did color my hair. Yay! I do have a vlog for that, so you guys go check it out. But I did color my hair, and ever since, like, I've just been lazy with my hair. I've literally been lazy with my hair. I think I've only styled it once in a week, and that's usually every night I do my regime and whatever. So today I'm doing a lazy night routine. No, a lazy night routine for my hair. Yes, a lazy night routine for my hair. If I take this beanie off, y'all better promise not to laugh at me, because go bad. Hold on, let me try and close this so you can actually see. Like, guys, I go bad. Look at how my hair looks. It feels a bit dry, but like the curls are still there. And if you can't make out like what the color is, this is like a deep red, I want to say like a burgundy kind of vibe. But you can see my hair still looks healthy though. It's just like I've been neglecting it. So yeah, I guess we're gonna do this together. So the first thing I do is I need to hydrate my hair. This is just water in a spray bottle, lukewarm water. I hate cold water on my hair. Then I go in with a wide tooth comb to detangle. You can see the detangling is not that bad. So it actually looks bad, but it's not that bad. It's easy. Detangling with my wide tooth comb, making sure that my hair is fully detangled. Then I go in with my Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner. I really do like this Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner. I feel like it does the things that need to be done. So you can see I'm sectioning off my hair, and I just apply the leave-in conditioner section for section. Then I go in with a twist. These are flat twists that I do on my hair. I feel like it's just easier, and I like it, so there's nothing wrong with it. So you can see I just keep on repeating the same method. Section off my hair, apply the leave-in conditioner, detangle my hair for the last time before proceeding with my flat twist. Look, my flat twist ain't perfect, but then again, this is nighttime routine. You might see that the leave-in conditioner, like you can see the product on my hair, but what I like about this is it doesn't stick on my hair. Like, it's not going to leave white residue on my hair, which this is why I love this product too. So you might see like the product, but it's not going to be like product build up and make my hair look like I have dandruff. All done. Now I'm going in with my amla oil. I make sure to coat it all over my scalp. This is a very nice oil. I feel like it does the things that need to be done. It's supposed to help with hair growth, but I feel like it really soothes my scalp. And also, don't forget your hairline, guys. Do not be playing with your hairline, please. Going in with my satin bonnet. This is just to protect my hair when I'm sleeping, to lock in the moisture, and just to make things easier and to look cute when I go to bed. Now it's the next morning. You can see my hair is all dry. There's no product residue. Going in with my MPL oil. This is the vitamin E one. You can see it's nice and thick, which I love. Just look at that. Now I'm just warming it up in my hands, and I use that to undo my flat twists. And then I also use my fingers to pull the oil through, or to make sure that my hair is fully moisturized. And also, like, my skin looks white because I have sunscreen on. Guys, I need to find a new sunscreen, but this video is not about sunscreen, it's about hair. And look how cute my curls are looking, guys. Look at those curls, those natural curls. Man, who said natural hair ain't cute? Going in with my afro comb just to give my hair a bit more volume. I'm not brushing out the curls, so you'll see I'm just going like underneath, just pricking it up. You can see, just to make it more volumized, to enhance the curls but not take away from my hair. I mean, look at those curls. How can you not love my curls? I mean, I am dying. I am loving me curls. I look so damn cute. You can't tell me anything. So you can see I'm just only from the roots. I'm just lifting. So you can see I'm just from the roots up. Not all the way through my hair, just like roots up. Like, I want to say an inch by inch. Just pricking it up, giving it a bit more volume. See, looking cute. Curls are popping. Looking highly hydrated and moisturized, because that is what we want. Bringing back the hair back to life. Bringing back the curls to life. That's what I like. Bringing the curls back to life. Okay, if you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below how you revive your curls, or like your nighttime routine for your natural hair. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Guys, because we are so close to 1K, y'all are playing me. Like, wow. But anyway, thank you for those who keep on supporting. I highly appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Till next time, bye.